G'day, welcome to part 4. So in part 4 I'm going to do my rear brake adjustment, handbrake adjustment, because I got rotors done in that, but they didn't get adjusted for my handbrake. So I'm going to quickly do that while I've just done the shockies, as you've seen in the last episode. So now I'm doing the brake. What do you call it? The handbrake. The handbrake adjustment. These Commodores, oh man, it's so weird because they don't always hold the handbrake tension. Some of them, you're pretty lucky they do, but I thought of an idea that I'm going to probably try to see if it works, and yeah, I'll basically have a look when I pull them off to adjust them and have a look, and then yeah, go from there. So it will require both wheels off, which they're already off. I'm going to take both calipers off at the same time and adjust the brakes accordingly, and then put it all back together. Just so much quicker and easier. And then after that, the wheels go on and put the exhaust back on, and then hopefully start working on the rest that I want to get done. So stay tuned. So I'm going to show you this. There's a little, see that red cable tie there? So basically, normally when you flick that, it pushes it out or in, but it's renowned for going back in. So what I've done is I found the sweet spot, and I've put that little cable tie there. And if it does come loose, it'll hopefully catch on that and stop. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do to the other side also. And hopefully that'll be my problem solved. But yeah, so that's pretty much, you've just seen how it all pretty much works. Now I've just got to reassemble it all and use some brake cleaner just to clean the oil off the rotors, because my gloves have a tiny little bit of oil on them. And then yeah, that's that done, another job done. So winning. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Ooh.